this is a big development as far as treatment of COVID-19 is concerned. We are getting another drug that has now been approved by the DCGI, which is the Drugs Controller General of India, approving emergency use of Zydus Cadulla's pegylated interferon alpha-2b Virafin that will now be used for the treatment of moderate COVID-19 infection in adults. So two indigenously developed vaccines that have already been used for the mass inoculation drive. There is also the Russian vaccine called Sputnik V. And the drug now that has now been improved, we are getting to know by the DCGI, has now been approved for emergency use. This is Virafin, which is a drug that will now be used in treating a moderate COVID-19 infection in adults. Going across to Aishwarya now, because this is an emergency drug that has now been given a clean chit by the DCGI.
Absolutely, and this was also being termed as the need of the hour, Amita. DGCI, that is the Drugs Controller General of India, has basically approved emergency use of Zydus Cadulla's pegylated interferon alpha-2b Virafin, and this is for treating, as you said, moderately infected COVID-19 patients. Because in the present scenario, the overdependence on one or two drugs is really creating a ruckus in the market. It is creating hoarding in the market, and hence, after all clinical trials approved, that is what we are being told, that after all clinical trials approved, DCGI, that is the Director Controller Drugs of India, General of India, has basically approved this, keeping in mind the need of the hour in the country. Because there is only one injection which is being looked after across the country, that is Remdesivir, and we are all aware of the hoarding, the black marketing, the whole market behind it. Hence, the need of the hour was that for moderately and mild infected patients, if there can be any verified drug, and now, after the Drug Controller General of India basically approving
Aishwarya, requesting you to stay on with us. Mr. Keval Handa from MD of Pfizer is with us on the phone line. Sir, now pharma company Zydus Cadulla has also received the restricted emergency use approval from India's drug regulator for the use of Virafin. This is an important antiviral drug that has now been given a green signal for its emergency usage. Mr. Handa? All right, so this is the Drugs Controller General of India, which has now approved the emergency use of Zydus Cadulla's pegylated interferon alpha-2b Virafin. This is an antiviral drug that will now be used to treat moderate COVID-19 infections in adult. We're also looking at today's meeting also where the Prime Minister was sharing. He had taken note of the black marketing and the hoarding that has been taken rampantly when it comes to another antiviral drug, which is Remdesivir. Mr. Handa, can you hear me, sir? All right, we'll just get back to Mr. Handa there to help us understand how important it would be to get a new antiviral drug now that can be put to use. Dr. Bagai, sir, can you hear me, sir? What is your reaction on the use of Virafin now that has now been approved by the DCGI?
This is another small step forward. This is an antiviral which we call as a interferon alpha-2b, and this blocks as soon as the virus starts binding onto the ACE receptors, it starts acting there before the cascade of the immunohost response starts taking place and the cytogenics build in. So we will have to see the effectiveness on the ground, but through clinical trials it has shown good promise. And for the select group of patients which will require it as a hospital-based therapy, I'm sure it will bear good results.
Dr. Bagai, because talking about the effectiveness, because many of those who have been saying as far as Remdesivir is concerned, it is not a magic drug. There are certain alternates that can be used if there is a shortage of supply of Remdesivir. But when administered, if we are talking about Virafin, the company says early on during the early symptoms of COVID-19, they can help patients recover faster.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. As soon as the host starts binding on, the ACE receptor starts binding on, your interferons start kicking in. So the cycle is really between interferons and interleukins. So some of the interferons are protective. So once the protective molecules do not escalate or cascade the effect of the cytokines, which are the interleukins, So the immune response is that much blunted in the body to have the cytogenic storm. So this is a good drug. This is something which will add to the therapy in terms of recovery and effectiveness.
All right, Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, thank you very much, sir, for giving your point of view, because what is being said as far as this new antiviral drug that will soon be available in Indian markets, this is the DCGI giving an approval for the emergency use. Remember, it will only be given medically approved prescription that needs to be administered to the COVID-19 patients who are showing mild symptoms of coronavirus or moderate symptoms of COVID-19 infection in adults. This is Zydus Cadila, pegylated interferon alpha 2B, Virafin antiviral drug that has now been given the approval. Now, what is also being said as far as this particular drug is concerned, which has also shown efficacy against other viral infections. So this will come across as a huge relief to the Indian market, and that will also reduce the viral load when it can given early on the help of better disease management, because we are looking at the numbers which continue to spiral on part of COVID-19 patients. And simultaneously, unfortunately, we also see the black marketing and the hoarding that has been taken place of the antiviral drug Remdesivir and also the other drugs where across the nation we're looking at many of the states which have already raised a red flag over this. Dr. Jailal is also with us on the phone line. Dr. Jailal, good afternoon to you, sir. Do you believe that the new drug Virafin will significantly reduce the viral load, especially to those patients who are showing early symptoms of COVID-19, sir?
Definitely, because the scientific data shows there is a positive result with the use of this drug, and I'm sure that is a great step taken in the right direction by the government of India, because we are getting any shortage of drugs, and when this new drug is coming in, definitely it is going to be a great weapon for us to utilize for the patients. These are very clearly now established by the scientific study. So definitely, it is a great armamentarium in the tool which is to be available for our physicians to take care of even the severe cases of the COVID patients.
Absolutely. Dr. Jailal, do you believe that when administered early on COVID-19 patients, this antiviral drug will actually help those patients recover faster and to avoid the complications?
Absolutely. It is needed to be given much earlier, not that wait for 5 days and the symptoms to be established. That is what we say, that whenever the patient comes with a situation where he is having a moderate disease and his oxygen saturation is falling below 94, and that is ideal the time to start the vaccination, not even waiting for the markers of inflammatory markers. When we are able to find out the oxygen saturation is falling and he is in a moderate infection, the disease is persisting, then right early we must start the antiviral drug. Starting the antiviral drug at a late stage is of no use. In fact, it is going to have complications more.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. That is being said more or less by majority of the doctors, because there is a certain timing when these antiviral drugs must be administered to the COVID-19 patients, and also should be done only after a prescription by a doctor is given. Thank you very much, Dr. Jailal, for joining us here on the broadcast. So the DCGI now approving emergency use of Virafin for treating moderate COVID-19 infection in adults.